Howdy everyone. Today we are going to understand about Hess law. So Hess law of constant heat summation. It's the another name. It states that the standard enthalpy change for a reaction is the sum of standard enthalpies of a sequence of reactions. The overall reaction should be capable of being represented by the given sequence of reactions should be at the same temperature and pressure. Now Hess law is a direct consequence of the law of conservation of energy. It is not necessary that every reaction in the given sequence should be conducted in a laboratory. A particular reaction can also be imaginary. The only requirement is that the individual chemical reaction in the sequence must balance and add up to the equation for a particular reaction. Also, Hess law enables arithmetic operations of chemical equation. This law is helpful in calculating enthalpies of reaction which cannot be experimentally derived or determined. So, can you say or tell me that what is required is to select a correct sequence of reactions? Okay, let us see. Calculation of enthalpy of conversion of graphite to diamond, which is very difficult to understand. Here is C means carbon in graphite form plus O2 plus O2 in gas form is equal to CO2 in gas form, where delta RH1 is equal to minus 393.5 kilojoule. You can say it is standard enthalpy for conversion of graphite and oxygen gas into the carbon dioxide. Now, C diamond, it means carbon in diamond form plus O2 in gas form is can give us the CO2 in gas form, where delta RH2 is equal to minus 395.4 kilojoule, where it is the standard enthalpy of conversion of diamond and oxygen into carbon dioxide. Now by subtracting these two different equations, we get carbon graphite minus carbon diamond is equal to 0. In simple word, graphite and diamond both are the allotropes of carbon. So we have write down here in general term, carbon minus carbon equals 0, and delta RH standard enthalpy of equation 1 minus standard enthalpy of equation 2, which is minus 393.5 kilojoule minus bracket minus 395.4 kilojoule bracket close is equal to 1.9 kilojoule. It means carbon graphite, if we transform carbon or in carbon by graphite to diamond form, we need total standard enthalpy equal to 1.9 kilojoule. By 1.9 kilojoule we can transform from the graphite into diamond. Now let us see another example. Calculate delta RH naught for the reaction, where first equation is carbon in graphite form plus oxygen, which makes the carbon dioxide in gas form, where delta RH is equal to minus 393.5 kilojoule. Now the second is carbon monoxide in gas form plus 1 by 2 O2 gas, which gives us CO2 gas. So its delta RH naught is equal to minus 283.5 kilojoule. So we write down carbon graphite plus O2 gas, which gives us CO2 gas. This is equation 1, and its standard enthalpy is minus 393.5 kilojoule. The second equation is CO plus 1 by 2 O2 in gas form, which is equal which gives us CO2 gas form. So its standard enthalpy is minus 283.5 kilojoule, and this is second equation. So by subtracting second from 1 and then rearranging the answer, we get this carbon graphite carbon in graphite form plus 1 by 2 O2 gas is gives us CO gas. It means carbon monoxide. So the delta RH naught is equal to minus 393.5 plus 283.5 kilojoule. So the total standard enthalpy will be minus 110 kilojoule for converting carbon from graphite form by adding oxygen gas into carbon monoxide. So I think you have understood very well about the Hess law. Thank you.